supergalicious definition made them boys go loco. They want my treasures so they get their pleasures from my boat. You can't see me, you can't squeeze. I ain't easy, I am sleazy. Caitlin is. Ooh, she be doing it all up on the...
Jeffrey.
Oh, ew. I didn't think you'd go for guys. Look, the floor is black. Yay. Now it'll turn gray and ugly. Pee-pee. The window's open and people are probably staring at us right now.
But we don't care.
Yeah, we definitely don't care. So anyway, me and Caitlin are going to the park. These old people are looking at us.
Excuse me, Grandma.
We're going to dig up our weed and our bat. Roboto, domo arigato, Mr. Roboto, domo arigato, Mr. Roboto.
Tomorrow, get Jeffrey's number. I told you to get it today.
So anyway, that concludes our day 36. And yeah. So see you later.